feel like I'm in my zone. Like nothing ever could face me. No way that I would get stranger. Yeah, I've been upgraded.